podcast. Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Affirm app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps is here in the you're looking for Affirm app. You just click on it here or just click on search. Then here add Affirm app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Affirm app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.